How's it going, everyone? It's our favorite stock, one of the best ones that ran today, FFIE. It's up 22%. We'll see what's going on after hours. Had a little bit of spikes here after hours, but kind of break even after hours, 2%. But why did this go up? Was there like some news? Let's see around here. Symbol news, Tesla reports. So yeah, I'm not really. Wait, wait here. This was 3 days ago, 2 days ago, 11 hours. Yeah. So what I can think of is we're gonna touch the upper trend channel. This has been bouncing up and down and has been giving us really nice areas to make money. Can this go even further? Is the question. As we know, things can get really risky as it keeps going up, especially with FFIE. But I will say we are above the EMA 20. That could mean an uptrend, but it is like is for my system, the band strategy. I never buy above the EMA 20. I look for my best setups are either the lower trend line, lower trend channel with time distance of the EMA 5 under it, or close to the ATR4, which is this bottom band here, and we'll go over examples of all of this. So as you can see, FFIE was one of the most hyped stocks, and it is still hyped, but not as much because a lot of people have got impatient, they got tired of it, and it's just been going down, and tons of people lost money. Usually, all the time when you see a big stock go up this high, there's going to be major back holders because a lot of the times people feel like this thing can never go down, and when it does, it goes down very swiftly. And now we're at this area where we just been going in this trend channel, and we want to make we're waiting for this to break out. So if you look at this thing, and if you look at right here, we want to do the most recent high that makes the most sense. It would be this one, and then when you draw that, you will have yourself in a trend channel here. I actually want to look at something here, get a little hold up. So yeah, you're going to see yourself in the trend channel, and everything's getting respected along the way, and you can adjust it like that and see this high rate in here. But I do like actually looking at this right here using this high because you can really see the most precise areas if you're looking at this. This right here, I would definitely not be in the trade because we could hit this area, but there's very little room. I mean, you're looking at the 60 cent region, you're looking at a 10 cent rise if it goes to that, but it could easily pop down and all that. So yeah, this is FFIE. One of the best trade alerts was right in here, where it actually touched it had time distance away from the EMA 5. It had the lower trend channel, and we went swiftly up to the EMA 20. So if you look at this thing, you have to know the best strategy to use in any trend reversal is looking at the EMAs. That is where price has to go back to, the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Remember that. Price always goes back to the 3 EMAs. So if you know that, you have such an advantage against everyone else that doesn't know that. A lot of people don't use EMAs. A lot of people just look at support and resistance and all that, and a lot of times you will get wrecked because what if you did just support and resistance, and you look at this, you're like, okay, that's support there, and you buy here, and guess what? It goes heavily down, and you had to experience some massive pain where you probably would have just broke even after that. And a lot of people look at resistance areas, and it just doesn't work like that. Everything is following a set of rules that the algos want. And I'm very happy for FFIE. Let's get rid of this, and I'm going to show you guys more clearly what we're looking at. We are very clearly above the EMA 20, which is the blue. The EMA 10 is the yellow, and the EMA 5 is the purple. All price action has to touch it. It will touch it in a certain amount of time frame. Obviously in my Discord, I tell you guys what is long and what's abnormal. We want to look for abnormal action. This right here really wasn't a trade that I would have taken, as it's just stagnant and it could have broke down to the downside. We don't know that, but it decided to break to the upside, and so a lot of people are probably very bullish, are going to go into it, but you got to realize is we are at that upper trend. We could hit 60 cents, but it also does not have to, and it can go plummeting down. So do keep that in mind. So yeah, this is FFIE. Remember, look at, we want price below the EMA 5. We want to make sure you're doing the best risk versus reward. You want to make sure, especially with penny stocks, you're very strict on it. This is the most common area. I would aim for 60 cents if you are in it. Obviously, people are probably seeing a breakout. Like a nice cup and handle here, which honestly does look pretty bullish, right? I mean, look at this. You had this big move up, and then guess what? perfect cup and handle. That is literally perfect to a T, actually. But yeah, I can see it going higher. It's just like amazing. You have this big, massive move up. Like, look at this thing. Like, don't tell me these things don't work. These things work, to a T. This is awesome. Like, big move up. You went all the way up here, and then you had you have to cool down. We go back up in here, and then we consolidate for a bit. And guess what? We had this massive move coming out of that cup and handle. That is a very bullish pattern that a lot of traders know, about, and it's a very easy pattern to understand. All right, guys, this is FFIE. As always, I'll be looking for the upper trend channel, but always play the best risk versus reward. And if you guys want to see my system, learn my strategy, join the premium Discord. It's very affordable. I will make you guys profitable. Just a little statistics about this system. It has an over 95% win ratio, and that's with proof. That's not just with saying that and blowing steam. You're more than welcome to see the win rate. You're more than welcome to see the alerts. I alert you guys on your phones. There's literally limit orders, so there's no way I can like just make this stuff up. And the reason why I am so confident is because the system works. I've been doing this for a while, been back testing it, obviously always improving. Some people give me ideas to put into it, and I take it into effect, and we're just in a community that's growing over 5,000 members. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. I'll pin it, and it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. The subscription tab is all of these right in here. If you want to subscribe, just go to server shop, and it's not going to cost you an arm and leg. It's only $6 a month for swing trading, or day and swing trading is $12 a month. At least you can do is literally try the system, see if you like it, see if see if you're profitable, which you will be profitable. I'm not here to make you guys millionaires. I'm not here to promise you the world, but I am going to say your chances of winning are extremely high. So for $12 a month, you get access to all my channels under the subscription tab, and it's the best, and you get future education videos that are not on YouTube, that is only going to be on Discord. And then I will alert you on your phone when I get into positions. RTK Journal, as you can see, you can click this link and you can see my living proof of my trades I'm actually in, and the win ratio and all that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, this is FFIE. This is a strategy that has worked repeatedly. I have traded this many times before. Using the ATR4, which is the bottom band, which gives you the most precise A+ setups. As you can see, when it does that, you have massive gains where it rejects right in here and goes up. And it's just been a freaking awesome system, guys. So as you can see, not right here, that one didn't give us it, but we can use this strategy for so many things, because right in here we had the ATR4, and this is another strategy I teach. And where does price go to? The 5, the 10, and then the 20 right in here. You'll see this all the time, guys. Hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. It's $6 a month for swing trades. The best service is going to be $12 a month for the day and swing trading plus, and it'll change your name to gold, so you get a nice looking color. But do subscribe on computer, as it is more affordable. You'll avoid the iOS fee, so I just want to remind you of that. And just read how to subscribe, avoid scammers, but the easiest way to hit server shop. Hope to see you guys in the next video. FFIE, congrats, bulls. That's awesome. I'm glad everyone's making money on this one, because I know a lot of people were hurting, and for everyone that's held this on, I'm just really happy for y'all. So keep up the good work, live another day, and hope to see you in the Discord. Peace out.